Okay, today we have an experiment. I've been trying to figure out a way to put gears in the little Jupiter robot, since they had one version that had gears. The problem is that there was a limited amount of space between the front and where in this case it's the TT motor, which is the larger of the motors. I couldn't figure out any way of getting gearing between the horizontal shaft and these gears in the front. So then I stopped and I thought about it and I went, you know what? I remember the Corvair. This is the top of the American-made Corvair. It was a rear-engine car that was air-cooled. This big thing is a fan, and that's a fan belt taking a 90-degree turn. One of the turn places was back then it was a generator, not an alternator, and the other one just a belt pulley, and that heads down to the front of the crank. So they would take a belt and bend it 90 degrees. And I went, well, I've got a pulley on this side which runs a belt up for doing the ear spinners. Why don't I just put a pulley on this side and bend it 90 degrees and put pulleys behind the two gears. And so that's what I did. This is the TT motor, the blue one with the metal gears, which is about 90 to 1 on the gear ratio. As you see, it does work. It's a bit of a pain in the ass to build, so I don't know that I'll build any more of them, or that I'll even put the files up on Thingiverse. It was just an experiment that I had to do to see whether I could figure it out or not. And of course, I figured it out. So let's just consider this a one-off. The Jupiter robot with gears, 3D printed.